Hello and welcome to my L Lohas LED dimmable and automatic on and off nightlight video. In this video, I will discuss and demonstrate the key features of this nightlight and show you the packaging and unboxing of this elegant and stylish LED nightlight. This modern, stylish wall sconce LED nightlight is made of transparent, shatter-resistant plastic acrylic with a metal finish ring. The plug-in base and slider switch is made of plastic, and the electrical plug pins are brass with nickel plating. So now I will talk about the key features. There are 6 key features I will discuss. Number 1, automatic sensor. This nightlight has a built-in photocell motion detection, turns on and off automatically. So when it gets dark outside, dusk, the nightlight automatically comes on, and then when the sun comes up at dawn, the light automatically turns off. Unless it's in a dark room all the time, it will stay on, but you can manually turn this light off. Number 2, the light is dimmable. There is a manual button slider which you can slide from off, 0, to 100 lumens all the way up for brightness, depending on how much brightness you would like in the room. Like if it's in your bedroom, you can take the slider switch, which is right here, and this is off, and then you can slide it all the way up here for brighter illumination. And then you can slide it back down to turn it completely off, or just a few lumens. So again, this is a manual dimmable button slider from 0 to 100 lumens. Number 3, it emits a soft light. Emits a warm color temperature, which is glare-free, of only 3000 kelvins. This LED light is very cozy and relaxing in a dark atmosphere, which I will turn off the lights and give you a... So let's turn the light all the way up. Oh, this one is actually not on. Let's look at this one here. So here is the manual dimmable switch, which you can take the slider and slowly, let me move this out of the way, you can slowly dim the lumens manually to a cozy atmosphere, or you can completely turn it off. And again, you take your slider switch. If it's in your bedroom, you can turn the lumens up just 5%, all the way up, where the slider switch goes to 100 lumens. Again, it emits a soft, warm color temperature, glare-free, so you can stare at the light, of 3000 kelvins, and it creates a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. Number 4, energy efficient. This nightlight uses a low power consumption of only 0.6 watts. Compared to a 40-watt light bulb, this is only 0.6 watts and can last up to 10 years. So it's very energy efficient. So if you left this on for an entire year and you never turned it off, it would cost no more than 50 cents. The 5th key feature is variety of styles. They are available in minimalist designs, modern sconce design, which this one is, vintage, nostalgic styles, and very cute designs. Number 6 key feature is the plug-in design in the back. This plastic compact electrical plug area base is so compact when you plug it in the wall, it does not block other wall outlets. So the height of this 4.5 inches tall, and when you plug it into the wall from the electrical base outward is only 3 inches. So it's 3 inches by 4.5 inches. So this is the box the LED nightlight comes in. On the front of the box, it talks about the key features, such as an automatic on and off built-in photocell. It has 3000 kelvins and it is energy efficient. 2 come in a pack. When you turn the box to the side, it's going to talk about specifications. This goes into a standard wall socket. And then on the back, it's going to discuss cautions and hazards. You do not want to plug this in outside to where it will be affected by moisture. So now let's take a look at how this light is packaged on the inside. Open it up, and of course there's 2 night lights that come in the pack. The cost for these was 2 in a box on Amazon for $30. They are sold in different stores. So let's take one out. Of course, they come in individual bags. Put that there. And the second one comes out. You can see it comes in individual plastic bags. And then also inside is the nightlight user manual, descriptions, specifications, and the functions. Again, it has an adjustable brightness and a built-in photocell that turns on and off automatically. So let's take a look at this nightlight in the bag. We're going to take them out and notice that there is a prong pin plastic protector which you will take off to plug into the wall. Again, this design has a black metal ring, and they do come in copper, gold, silver, black, brushed nickel. So I chose the classic black. And again, your slider button. And when they plug in the wall, they will plug in like this. Common places to use this nightlight are in your bedroom. Again, you can manually turn down the lumens to where it's just very soft enough to give you a hint of light for footing in your bedroom. Also, nurseries, kids' rooms, in hallways, garages, stairways, or any dark corner that needs a gentle lighting. This again is for indoor use only. I do hope my video of the L Lohas LED dimmable auto on and off nightlight was helpful. Again, this is a very popular and affordable plug-in nightlight featuring a dusk-to-dawn sensor and automatic on and off adjustable brightness from 0 to 100 lumens. Again, some of the key features are automatic sensor, photocell for motion detection. It's manually dimmable. It emits a soft 300 Kelvin LED soft light. It's energy efficient, 0.6 watts, can last up to 10 years with continued 24 hours or 7 days a week operation. Comes in a variety of styles, and it is a plug-in design that's compact enough to where it does not block other outlets, and it's very simple to use. And as always, thank you for watching.